Secretary of State for National Gendarmerie, Galaxy Etoga, warns against rising cases of abusive detention. Custody and abusive detentions in National Gendarmerie units. Message radio portal. Let me see if they share them for all radio stations there. Now I try to read it, even though I read it in English so that they maybe try to get the version so that I'm gonna understand which way they talk for here. Reliable information indicates a recurrence of detentions inside and abusive detentions within National Gendarmerie units. It is important to remember that custody as a form of deprivation of freedom is governed by legal texts and regulations that define its duration and conditions. To ensure compliance with these regulations, strict enforcement is required, with penalties including disciplinary actions and legal prosecution. Additionally, the state may take further legal action to seek financial compensation for victims of abuse following judicial proceedings. Furthermore, regular oversight is necessary. Investigations into execution practices must be conducted at all levels of gendarmerie units with unannounced inspections to monitor safety rooms. Unit commanders must provide weekly reports on the status of detainees under their custody, and formation commanders will be held personally accountable for any lapses or failures in oversight. Proper anticipation and preventive measures should be in place to avoid any violations. Galaxy Etoga. Now the communique that way the big man for gendarmerie, Ketu red cap. Ekelebe the way they wear a red cap. They are big man. They don't come on shake. Can't talk say no. Now so for any brigade, any gendarmerie post, any place where they get this kind of place and that house they ever paint and green. No. They call it brigade. Any brigade say this so me they make sure say me people they don't overstay for the me they make me get good condition. Me they no begin beat people there inside, me begin torture people there. United Nations they show them pepper. Some person can't talk say this no for them. That thing United Nations do and so for La Republic, they congratulate La Republic for the way they manage, torture and all the like. Say La Republic they respect human rights. Who tell you now? They pepper La Republic because United Nations, the Committee Against Torture, they don't carry out their investigation and they get hard evidence against La Republic, against their places there. Say that they torture people then they. We don't see how they do. What they do longer? They do in a way. What about the Willie de Paris? What about Mancho? What about plenty? What happened in Wazizi? What happened in Wazizi? The other what happened there? Big man for gendarmerie don't come out talk. You remember big man for police will come out talk small time. Then big man for that they are secret unit them will come out the talk. Muna no say gendarmerie na that means say said Secrétariat d'État et de la Défense. Said na part of gendarmerie. You get the point? That na for said where all did their torture in the past. Now for said they put you underground. Do you kind thing there? Now for day. La Republic don't come up, can't talk, say no, you don't wash your hand. No, any commandant for any brigade where they catch you, where you do this thing, he did on your own. All these things don't have boom. Now just one of those ways the way they want to free themselves from the thing the way United Nations not tell the similar poor. United Nations don't give them tough condition there. They don't give them tough condition there. Like probably shake. They don't start shake. We never see nothing. I want Amuna know say when United Nations they start the questions of country where concern human rights violation there. Muna know say small time something will happen. Intervention will never be so fast. You not get the point. And now start yes, they go sanctions on La République officially. Say na them don't touch on they don't do that, they don't do that. That's so it start. And from them now, yes, they so La République don't go borrow money, World Bank don't deny because their human right record they clear. Because they violate human right. Thing that will happen so clearly so. Now so it start small. Big man for gendarmerie no come run him up. Talk how we know for any brigade, me they no begin beat people then me they keep you for day. If you say this your time for detention don't reach, if the state council if you continue your case, they send you for Ngata, me go with trial for day, or they leave you, me go blah blah blah. Gendarmerie na the highest play where they smell. People the motor for play they sleep. Go for brigade and you confirm. When Janan comment assassin they want cash for the Calais, hide the bill. La République lie. We no did them. They don't hold them for their cannons. They don't hold them hard. Now in that big man for gendarmerie don't come out Etoga. You don't come out can the shake. It is shake waiting. Law for La République talk say Dio, for example, will keep you in detention for 15 days, renewable. That means say any colonial Dio will catch you, keep you in detention. You make 15 days, he release you. But if you like him, he will still keep you for day until like the day we skin fine, he leave you, you go. Or they ask and say, if Dio keep man forever, they will do you it. You know, they know nothing. My brother and sister, mommy and papa, then it happen. It happen. People in the way they don't stay for brigade for 6 months. They don't stay for brigade for 8 months. They day only for them. People in they don't disappear. They don't underground for kind place them. Where like people don't open up. Where Jana they don't open up. They want to talk jazz and say waiting. Now don't see and say that questioning where United Nations questioned them for Geneva 2 days ago or 2 days consecutively for the month of November 2024. It is shaking them. It is shaking them. Like people don't shake. They can't talk. How about that man for Douala way na they torture longer? They call it Tabala. What about Bangui? They didn't play the soul. He never start. They will confirm code. Nka Valet, we say keep Bamenda clean. Bole people there for Bamenda. Let the African and Kala Bilan they give order them. They go bole people there. Colonial Dio and S-Dio there. My brother and sister, mommy and papa there. You don't need hot for La République side. You don't need hot for their side. United Nations will show them pepe. But at the time, Amazon they say, now time this Amazon they for unite and do the right thing. Community mobilization. Come back together, revive your community, re-energize yourself, and speak with one voice. The international community will listen to we. It will listen to we, and it will hear our cry. And tell now, like people don't panic. They don't panic. After questioning for United Nations, for Geneva, how many days ago, the big man of gendarmerie already come out, they send communique. They talk say, no, we will not do this, we will not do that, blah, blah, blah. Any man will say, Amba no go exist, no. Yisese no go exist. Amba na hoha. Now the communicate that no. I want to muna siam, my dear brother and sister, muna know say the best is yet to come. Good news is around the corner. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys again in our next update. And before I want to tell you something, shake no day. Shake no day. Amba na hoha. Don't forget to share the video as far as you can. Me reach all La République agent. Me reach them fine. Reach Ekelebe themselves. Share up. United Nations don't hold them for canals. Big man gendarmerie don't come on the talk your own. No, muna no big people there. When gendarmerie brigade there, no be place for big people there. Go for brigade there, visa Amazonia. Na place for do na church. Cancel the puma balance wa. Show you pepe. Even man will be innocent. They make their collect the cash for and take money from them. The people they are crime now waiting. They never see anything. If come, I think I say go grind for money next no. We wait that money next. I'm gonna hold her.